definitely go and apply. It's one of the best decisions that I've made. My name's Arwen. I'm a creative communications apprentice in a marketing agency. I chose an apprenticeship because throughout my time studying my A-levels, I came to learn that I was learning a lot better as I was going through tasks instead of learning in the classroom. A lot of my day-to-day tasks include doing outreach to stakeholders. I write a lot of social content. I get to do some creative writing when it comes to writing blogs for clients and getting to control some social media accounts. Some of the biggest benefits of this apprenticeship has been getting to learn on the job, being financially independent and learning very valuable skills, as well as working closely with colleagues who have been in the industry for 20+ years and getting to shadow them to see how this industry works and how it can work for me. Throughout my apprenticeship, I've developed skills such as my communication skills. I've also done a lot of developing my time management skills through working across a number of campaigns, working to deadlines and prioritising tasks. But I've also been able to develop my Welsh language skills, working on a number of campaigns which are Welsh driven and doing my college work through the medium of the Welsh. I would say if you're considering doing an apprenticeship, definitely go and apply. It's one of the best decisions that I've made, and it is definitely a very, very good opening for me to get started in the industry that I see a future in.